Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Spain. On the menu tonight is Pisto Spanish vegetable stew. The morning mise en place, just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in the brazier. I add the onion and saute. Then I add the peppers and the garlic and saute some more. Then I add the eggplant and saute. Then I add the zucchini and saute some more. Then I add the tomatoes and the spices and saute. Here's the finished vegetable stew. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy this presentation. Have fun cooking.